Hello everybody, this is Lauris from Stakepool 24/7 with another quick upgrade video for the latest 1.26.2 Cardano Node release. This release is meant for block producing nodes, as during the last epochs SPOs noticed that there is a high CPU spikes at the epoch boundary, and actually it was getting worse. So IOJ basically dive deeper in this issue and released a new version for our Cardano node block producing nodes. So as I mentioned, it's not a mandatory installation, but it's highly recommended that you have your block producing nodes upgraded to the latest 1.26.2 version. And yeah, you can skip upgrading the relays as they are not affected by this. Okay, so I already created a quick guide on our guides page, so you can just follow the guide there, copying the commands, and yeah, so let's do it. It's not a complicated task. It just takes time. You know, we are compiling as usual from scratch, so we have everything there, and yeah, so let's start. Okay, so let's create a backup of current binary files. So these few lines which I wrote here basically creates a new directory with the old binary file version and copies the binaries there. So okay, so that's done. So let's move to the next section, which is basically upgrading and updating your system. So it's of course a good idea always to have the latest updates on your system, so for security reasons and for compatibility. Okay, that's done. So let's move to the next point where we are creating a directory where we'll be putting the source code of Cardano Node. So, and just in case you already previously used Untitled Guide, so just let's remove the Cardano Node source directory, and yeah, and let's now download fresh copy of Cardano Node from the GitHub. So as we see, we have 1.26.2, so the correct release. So let's move forward with updating Cabal. So just in case, you know, there's something we need to upgrade. So let's do that. And let me just fast forward this. It shouldn't take a long, you know, 1-2 minutes. But yeah, let's forward so I don't have to wait. Okay, so let's configure. So we are using a flag with a specific JC compiler version, just to be sure that we are using the latest compatible for Cardano Node, because sometimes people have different JC compilers. So just to be sure, let's use this flag with compiler JC 8.10.2. So we are sure that we are using the correct one. Okay, so now it will configure for some while. It should take, you know, 5 to 10 minutes, depends on your machine. So let's just fast forward this again and go to the next steps. Okay, so that's done. Next step is adding libraries, so which are necessary for our Cardano node. So let's copy this code and just paste it here. Let's press enter. And now let's go to building the binary. So basically this is the step where our compiler will build our binaries. So, and again, this will take some while. It depends again from your machine. So let's just fast forward this and we should be almost done. So after 36 minutes on my home server, we have compiled. So now let's move forward with overwriting the current binary. So before that we have to stop our Cardano Node service. Otherwise we will not be able to override the file, as it will be busy. So let's copy this and let's just copy over the latest versions. So let's check if we have succeeded, and yes, so as we see 1.26.2 is installed. Okay, good. That's it. We have updated our binary, so one thing left is to start our Cardano Node service. So, and that's it. You are running the latest 1.26.2 version. Let's just check our log files if everything's going well there. And as we see, yes, so the process has started. We are opening the database, so everything is good. It should start shortly after it replies the blocks. And yeah, that's good. We are done here. So one more thing which you can do, of course, if you are not compiling on your block producing node, which actually is a good idea, so is to copy, archive actually these new binaries, and then copy to your block producing nodes. So you can use SCP, which basically copies the files to your server. It's like the same like using SSH, but SCP is just for file transfer. So this is the syntax. Just to replace, of course, your IP, your username, or whatever other credentials you have put, and then just copy to your server there, and you will need to extract and replace the binaries there. Okay, so the last step on our remote machine, let's just enter or unzip the files, and then let's replace our binary files with the latest version. So let me just edit here. Okay, cool. So I already stopped my service there. So therefore I already was able to copy. So let's just check if we have the correct versions. Okay, here, good. Okay, so everything looks good. So we have the latest version also on this server. So let's just start the service, and as always, let's check, of course, if our service is up and running by checking the journal. -f, so we have the latest. Okay, tailing, good. So looks like we are good to go. So, and that's actually it. So if you have any questions, as always, drop a question in our Telegram support chat. So there's always somebody who is there who can help you. And if you like the video, as always, hit the like button, as well subscribe to our YouTube channel, because I'm trying to update and put the latest information so you don't miss some important updates for your Cardano stake pool. And drop some comments below if you would like to see more videos and maybe some topics which I should cover. And yeah, so as always, you can find me also on Telegram. And if you want to show me some support, as always, delegations are welcome to my EU01 stake pool. And yeah, so till the next video.